Yes. Good morning, children. We can do a quick revision. Okay, quick revision on different types of beaks, because that there is a chance of confusion. That is why I am giving a quick revision. Okay. So this one is the last one which we learned it, right? Bharata, read it fast. I will call some students to read. They have to read it fast.
In
Okay.
long pointed beak,
Ah.
they help to suck nectar from flowers. Example, hummingbirds.
Okay. Abel Dawn. Okay. Abel, read this one. Another type.
Ma'am,
Read it.
ma'am, I have a little bit network problem, so it
Okay.
will take a
Arfan, read it, Arfan.
To easily tear a sharp hook strong beak.
Ah.
To easily tear the flesh of the prey.
Ah.
Eagles, hawks, vulture.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Just revising it. Next one.
Ma'am, can I read it?
Aditya, read it. Next one.
Sharp hooked strong beak.
Hmm.
Long, broad, pointed beak.
Hmm.
The beak is used to pick up fish from the water. Example, kingfisher.
Okay. Next one. Amil, can you read the next one? Amil, Muhammad Amil. Then read it fast. Name only. You have to read the name only of that one. Okay.
Long, chisel-like beak.
Okay. Long chisel like beak. Which bird is having this type of beak, Amil?
Woodpecker.
Yesterday I saw woodpecker.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So interesting. So here, I'll read this third variety.
Short, hard-pointed beak.
Hmm.
This type of beak helps them to pick up seeds and worms easily and crush them to eat.
Okay.
Example,
Example.
sparrows, pigeons, and peacocks.
Okay. Next one. Esra, you have to read next one. Okay. Second one. Yes. Yes.
Strong curved beak. Such beaks help them to crack open nuts of seeds and scoop out the pulp of fruits with the help of the curve of their beaks. Example, parrots.
Okay. Anupama, you can read the first one. Anupama, I can't hear you. Read it fast. No, I will. I think some audio problem is there.
Broad, flat.
Prajwal, read it, Prajwal.
Short, flat beak, like a spoon. There are tiny holes on either side of the beaks. Example, ducks and swans.
Okay, ducks and swans. So here it is the quick revision of the beaks. So here we want to learn about, today we are going to learn about the feet. Okay, types of feet. Today we are going to learn about types of feet of the birds. See here, as we learn, the birds have different types of beaks. In the same way, the birds have different types of feet also. So can you tell me what is the reason for different types of feed for birds? Can you imagine? Can you think?
Can I say?
Yes, Adidev. Yes.
To capture their prey.
Yeah, to get their food, right? To catch their
Capture.
prey. Yeah, to catch their prey means to get
Example,
their food.
fishes, eagles.
Okay. So according
Eagles
to
will
their
use to catch
okay,
their
so
prey with example fish.
we can say it according to their food habit. According to the food habit, we can according to the food habit, we can see there are differences in the feet of the legs. Not only according to the food habit, according to the place where they live. According to the place where they live, they have different types of feet. So here you can see these 2 points. types of feet. Why it is different types of feet? According to the food habits. First point, according to the food habit. Second point, place they live. According to the place they live, birds have different types of feet. So this is the first point we want to learn today. Okay. So why do the birds have different types of feet? Why? My question is, why do birds have different types of feet? Because, answer, because according to the food habits and the place they live, birds have different types of feet. According to the food habit and the place they live, birds have different types of feet. Okay, Rohit, so can you tell me why do birds have different types of feet?
According to the food habits and the place where they live, birds
Okay.
have different types of feet.
Very good, very good. Okay, next one, Jaswin, what is the reason birds have different types of feet?
Climbing,
No, I am not saying that one. Why do birds have different types of feet?
according to the food habits and the place they live,
Birds
birds
have,
have different types of feet.
very good. Adinath Salbin, Adinath. So tell me,
Yes, ma'am.
why do birds have different
Ma'am.
types of feet? Adinath? Adinath, did he vanish? Okay, so Anne Maria, can you tell me why do birds have different types of feet? Anne Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do birds have different types of feet?
Birds have according to the according to the food habits
Very good. And
their place
where they live. Okay, very good. Okay, according to the food habit and the place where they live, they have different types of feet. So now you understood what is the reason for different types of feet, isn't it? How many of you understood? Raise your hand. Yes, okay, almost all got it, right? Okay, so now we can see what are the uses of these feeds to that birds. Uses. Okay, now we can see what are the uses of these feet. Now for what all things these feeds are used by the birds. So you know, as usual, it is for climbing. Climbing the trees, climbing wherever they want. They are using their feet for it. And protecting themselves from the enemies. Okay, protecting themselves from the enemies. So they are using that. You might have seen how these birds are fighting each other. The hen or the cocks. You might have seen it, right? Using their feet and the beaks, they are using it to protect themselves. And not only that, as we are holding the food in our hand, in the same way, they are using their feet for holding food after catching the fish. Or you also have seen it, right? Now, when the crow is taking some food using its beak, it may keep it under its feet, right? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? How the birds are catching the food using their feet? Yes. Okay. So that is quite natural. So as we are using our hands for holding anything, in the same way, the birds are using their feet as their hand. So for holding something. Then for swimming, see the birds like swan, ducks, they all are, they are water birds. So they want to swim in the water. So using their feet, they can swim in water. So these are the uses of feet for the birds. So first one we learn, why do birds have different types of feet? That it is over. Next one we are going to learn about uses of feet. Uses of feet. What is this? Uses of feet. So Esra, what are the uses of feet for the birds?
Birds use their feet for
Hmm,
climbing,
hmm,
protecting,
hmm.
holding food, swimming.
Okay. Adinath Salbin, what are the uses of feet for the birds?
Climbing, protecting, holding food, and swimming.
Okay, you can say for climbing, protecting. You have to use for also. Okay. When I ask the question, what are the uses of feet for these birds? You have to answer like this: for climbing, for protecting, holding food, and for swimming. Otherwise, you can use this full sentence. You can answer it in a full sentence also. Okay. How birds use their feet for climbing, protecting, holding food, and for swimming. Hmm. Okay, so let me call some other student. Ameya, Ameya, can you tell me the uses of feet? Uses of feet.
Climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming.
Okay, is it? Ameya is reading.
Yes.
Okay, very nicely you are reading. Once again, you read it. See how clearly. Very good.
For climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming.
Okay, I thought Adidev is reading in between. Okay, likewise, you are also reading. Isa, Chris, John, Daniel, Eva, I want to make you, I want to read, I want to get the answer from you. So if you are closing the videos, how I can? Switch on the video. Switch on the videos. Fast. Fast. John Daniel, I want to get the answer from you. Okay, John Daniel, are you ready? John, John, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adinath, mute your audio. So, my question is, what are the uses? What are the uses of feet of the birds? Okay, you can read it from the, yes, yes, tell me, what are the uses?
What you said? Climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming.
How many John are here? How many Johns are here? I called only John Daniel. But when he is reading, some other is also reading. Don't unmute without my permission. John Daniel. Yes, John, you can say it. What are the uses of feet of the birds?
Climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming.
Very good. Chris, what are the uses of feet for these birds? Unmute, unmute.
And feet.
Feet. What are the uses of these feet for these birds?
To stay on branch.
Okay, to stay on branch. Okay. Then,
To take small sticks. To
see.
take small sticks.
Okay, see, I already discussed these all things. Can you see this board?
Yes.
Can you see this board?
Yes.
Yes. So, you can use these all sentences, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so read it. What are the uses of feet of these birds?
Climbing, protecting,
Read it.
holding food, swimming.
For swimming. Okay, birds also say it in a full sentence. I have marked it there. Say it in a full sentence. Others also can learn it now itself. Don't waste time. Okay, you can by heart it now itself. Yes, Chris, read it once again in a full sentence.
Birds use their feet for climbing,
Hmm.
protecting,
Hmm.
hold food, and swimming.
Okay, Eva Rose, read it. What are the uses of feet?
Birds use their feet for climbing, protecting, holding food for food.
Okay, swimming. Okay, so I hope if I ask question, you will be able to answer it without looking, isn't it? Hmm? Yes,
Yes.
Sanahin. Yes, let me try to Sanahin. Yes, what are the uses of feet, Sanahin? Anyone, if you are saying it is okay. Say it once
Climbing,
again.
protecting,
Ah,
holding food, swimming.
very good, Sanahin.
Well
Very
done,
excellent.
Sanahin.
Okay, very excellent. Okay, Diya Manoj. Yes, Diya. What are the uses of feet for these birds?
Climbing, protecting,
Hmm.
holding food, swimming.
Okay, very good. 4. Okay, so next, Sanahi, you have to say it in sentence. Okay, now you are doing excellent work. Okay, very good. So shall we move to the different types of feet? Now we learn uh, why they have different types of feet. After that, we learn what are the uses of feet. Now we can see which all type of feet are there. Okay. We are not learning about all these types. Mainly which all types are there, we are discussing that. So here, can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. Okay, 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. So before we explain this one, I want to know it. What do you mean by toe? What do you mean by the word toe? T-O-E. Varada, Varada. Let me give chance to Varada also. Yes, Varada.
Finger.
Fingers. So is there any other answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, Leia.
the fingers on our feet.
Yeah, toe means fingers on the feet. Fingers on the feet. Yes, Adidev, you should get permission from me, no? Without permission, if yes, what you want, yes, tell me.
Claws.
Close, okay, close also we can say. Close means the nail, no? Nail. Okay, nail. But it is not the nail. The fingers that
Ma'am,
present.
this only.
Fingers, no, finger, yeah, fingers that are present on the feet. See, please note, fingers that present on the feet, that is called toe. Okay, so here we are seeing, we are making different types of feet. We are checking how the arrangement of toes in that. So here, first one, 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. So here you can see in this picture. See here I am marking 3 toes are directing forward, directing front, and 1 toe is at the back also, right? Can you see it, children? Yeah.
Yes,
So this,
ma'am, I can
yeah,
see.
yes. So these toes help them to catch, to hold the branches of the trees or the wires. See, you can see so many birds are sitting on electric wires or in cable wires, right? You have seen it. And also on the branches, on trees. So if they do, see how they are sitting on it. If you are checking, it is the branch of it. Let me take one pencil so it will be very easy for you to understand. So just imagine it is the branch of a tree. And using the front 3 toes, they are holding like this, and back 1 toe, they are keeping tightly. So they won't fall down, right? They won't fall down. So they can sit safely on the branches or on the wires. Okay, so that is Devadarshan. Listen here. So here we can see we can see 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. What is the use of these type of feet for the birds? That help the birds to hold. That help the birds to hold branches or wires. Okay, so first we learned the variety, the type of feet. Which type of feet? Which type of feet we learned today? 1 minute. Yes, Jaswin, which type of toe we learned today? Feet we learned today, Jaswin. Jaswin,
Yes, ma'am.
which type of feet did we learn now? Jaswin,
Yes.
read it. Which type of toe we learn now? Isra. Yes, Jaswin, listen to Isra. Okay. Which type of feet did we learn now?
3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back.
Okay, that is the type of feet. Okay, good. Isra, can you tell me what is the use of that type of feet to that bird?
Yes, ma'am. Help the bird to hold branches or wires. Example,
Okay,
sparrow.
can you give example for those type of birds which have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back?
Example, sparrow.
Sparrow. Okay, so 3 type of questions are here. So Prajwal, tell me which type of feet we learn now?
3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back.
Okay, John Daniel, can you tell me what is the use of this type of feet to that birds?
What, ma'am?
What is the use of? How did it help the birds? This type of feet?
That can sit the.
Yes,
That
it is.
can hold. That
Yeah,
can hold the.
I don't.
tree.
How did this type of feet help the birds?
To take food.
Is
And
it
feet
Ayil?
to stand on tree.
It is written there, no? Second sentence is how it help the bird. Yes, how do it help? Help the birds to branches or wires. Okay, so let me call Jaswin. Can you give example for birds having these type of feet? Sparrow. Okay, so let me ask again this question. Everybody should switch on your video. Okay. Henry now only came, I think. Ameya. Network
Yes,
issue.
ma'am.
Okay, Ameya. So can you tell me, Ameya, which type of feet we learned today? Which type of feet did we learn today? What you are doing? Varada, which type of feet we learned today?
3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back.
Okay, good. Eva, what is the how do this type of feet help the birds? Eva, how do these type of feet help the birds?
Climbing.
Asking that type of feet, how it help that birds?
Climbing.
Is it that is all we are saying in commonly? How do the feet help? Okay, so we are discussing about a particular type of feet, isn't it? One variety of feet. So here, how these type of feet help this bird? Eva. Don't know. Okay, let me call Arfan. Arfan, how do this type of feet help the bird?
Help the birds to hold branches or wires.
Branches
Example,
or
sparrow.
okay, like a sparrow. So, Yuva, can you tell me what is the help that how do this type of feet help the birds?
Help the bird to hold branches or wires.
Very good. To hold branches or wires. Okay. So, can you give example for these type of birds?
Sparrow.
Sparrows. Okay. So, next variety that is called long and thin feet. Long and thin feet. See, here you can see this herons and cranes. Can you see it here? In the picture, they are herons and cranes. See, they have a slender, thin, long feet because their food is, they are eating water animals, small water animals. But they can't live in water like ducks. So, their feet is long and thin that help them to walk through the water, then take the food from the water. So, the second variety of feet is long and thin feet. Varada, which is the second variety, the second type of feet?
Long and thin feet.
Okay. What is the help? What is the help these feet give to that bird? Help the birds that stay in water to walk and swim in ponds. Understood? So when they are in ponds, when they are in water, these long and thin feet help them to walk and swim. And also, sorry, and also catch small water animals. And also catch small water animals. So I hope it's clear. The long and thin feet help the birds that stay in water. This type of feet is there for the birds that stay in water. Okay, how they help them to walk, swim in ponds, and also catch small water animals. Example for birds having this type of feet are heron and crane. Heron and crane. So note down the spellings of heron and crane in a rough book. H-E-R-O-N, heron, and crane, C-R-A-N-E. Note down this point. Okay. Amil, what is this the second type of feet that we learn?
Long and thin feet.
Okay, long and thin feet. Now let me ask to Devadarshan. How Devadarshan? Which all birds have these type of feet? Example for these type of feet. Unmute and say that answer.
Heron and crane.
Heron and crane.
Crane.
Okay, good, good. Then Abel. Yes. So can you tell me how do these type of feet help the birds?
Helping the birds. Help to catch fish. Stay in water to walk and swim in the pond and catch small water animals.
Okay. See, as Adidev told, we can in simple sentence we can see to help to catch small water animals like fish. That also. And also
Ma'am,
we can
also
say,
crabs. Ma'am, also crabs.
Okay. So here, see, everybody's video is off. So how can I call you? Rohit Krishna. Rohit Krishna. Rohit Krishna. Read the type of feet, how it help, and example also. Read it.
Long and thin feet. Help the birds that stay in water to walk and swim in the pond and catch small water animals. Example, heron and crane.
Okay. Varada, read that one.
Long and thin feet help the birds that stay in water to walk and swim in the pond and catch small water animals. Example, heron and crane.
Okay. Anupama is here. Anupama. Anupama. You read it, Anupama.
Help the bird that stay in water to walk and swim in ponds.
Anupama. Is that Anupama is reading?